Hey everyone. Today we're going to explore how to send GIFs on Discord using your PC, with the latest updates making it even easier. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your chats. Once you're in, find the chat where you want to send a GIF. This could be a direct message or a group chat, whatever you prefer. Next, look for the GIF icon in the message input area. Clicking on this icon will bring up a variety of GIF categories. You'll find options for everything from reactions to cute animals, so you're bound to find something perfect for your conversation. If you want something more specific, you can use the search bar at the top of the GIF menu. Just type in a keyword that captures your emotion or the moment you want to express. This will help you find that ideal GIF in no time. Once you see a GIF that you like, simply click on it. It will automatically be added to your chat, ready for you to send. And that's it. You've successfully sent a GIF on Discord. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and have fun chatting.